Hi, welcome you all to Pebbles. In today's class, we are going to see multiplying by a two-digit number. Multiplying by a two-digit number, we are going to see class 4 maths today. Okay, let's start the class now. Multiplying by a two-digit number. First heading is multiply. So we are going to multiply. That is two-digit number. So this is ones, tens, and hundred. This is three-digit number. So this is the first number and this is the second number. So 843 is the first number and 40 is the second number. So 843 is going to multiply by 40. Okay, so this is the two-digit ones and ones and tens. So 1 and 2. This is a two-digit number. So multiplying by a two-digit number. So the 40 is a two-digit number. So 843 is going to multiply by 40. That is what I have written. Multiplying by a two-digit number. Now let's start the problem. Okay, let's solve the problem. So first ones, tens, 100, and what is this? This is ones and tens. First we have to multiply by, it is a very simple multiplication as a normal multiplication. I am not going to regrouping the numbers, just I am going to multiply, that's all. So first I am going to do, so I have to multiply by 0. I have already told you any number is multiplied by 0, you can get only 0. So what you are going to do, you have to multiply, first you are going to multiply by ones. What is the ones place, what is the number in the ones place? That is 0. So you are going to multiply by 0 by 843. So I have told you any number is multiplied by 0, you can get what? 0. So 3 into 0, 0, 4 into 0, 0, 8 into 0, 0. So no need to write as it is all the zeros, just write only 1 is enough. So just write 0. And after that, you have to multiply by tens, okay? That is 4 into 3, 4 into 3, so 4 is a tens place value, 4 is a tens place value. So you have to write the number according to the tens place value, okay? Then 4 into 3, that is 12, so 2 you have to write in the, just you have to write in the tens place. So 4 into 3, 12, so 4 is multiplied by what? 3. 4 is going to multiply by 3. So first I am going to multiply ones place. Next I am going to multiply the same 4 by tens place. Then I am going to multiply by the hundreds place. Okay, 100 place number. So I am going to multiply by 4. The 4 is a 10 digit. Okay, 10 digit. So I am going to multiply by 4 into 3. So 3 is a ones place number. 4 into 3, 12. So 2 I have written. So the remaining carryover is go to the tens digit. So 4 into 4, 16, 16 plus 1, what? 17. So I have written 17. Then the remaining is carryover go to the 100 place. So 4 into 8, 32, 32 and 34 into 8, 32, 32 into, 32 plus 1, what? 33. I'll repeat once again. See, first I'm going to multiply by, that is 843 is multiplied by 40. So 40 is a two-digit number. So ones and tens, there are two digits. So 843 is three-digit number, ones, tens and 100. So I am going to multiply the ones digit. That is, what is the number in ones digit? I am going to multiply 843 into 40. So first I am going to multiply by 0 with 843. Okay. So 0 into 843, you can get only 0. I have told you, any number is multiplied by 0, you can get what? 0. So 0 into 3, 0. And 0 into 4, 0. 0 into 8, what? 0. So you don't need to write all the zeros. Just write only 1 is enough. Write only once. Write only once. Just write only one time is enough. So I have just write 0. After that, I am going to multiply by what? 4. So 4 in the tens place value. So it is in the tens place value. It is in the tens place value. 4 in the tens place value. So what is the number in tens place value? 4. I am going to multiply by 4 with 843. So 4 into 3, 12, 2. So 3 is a ones place value. So I am going to multiply by tens place value. Tens place value is 4. 4 into 3, 12. 2 carryover is go to the again tens place, but this 2 you have to write only in the tens place. Then the remaining carryover is go to the what? That is tens place. So 4 into 4, 16. 16 plus 1, 17. 17, the carryover is go to the 100 place. And 8 into 4, 32. 32 plus 1, 33. This is the answer. See, otherwise you do one thing. See, I have taught you 3 methods. Which is convenient for you. You have to choose that method. 843 into 40. See, this is 843 is a 3-digit number. What number? 3-digit number. Next, it is 40 is a 2-digit number. So the heading is multiplying by a 2-digit number. First, I am going to take the ones place value. What is the number in the ones place? That is 0. So I am going to multiply by 0. So 3 into 0, 0. Then again 0 into 4, that what? 0 again. 0 into 8, you can get 8. 0 into 3, 0, or 3 into 0, 0. So any number is multiplied by 0, you can get what? Only 0. So 0 into 3, 0. 0 into 4, 0. 0 into 8, 8. Now I am going to multiply by what? Tens place. What is the number in tens place? 4. I am going to multiply by 4. I'm going to multiply by 4 with 843. So 843 is going to multiply by 4. Okay. Now, so I have to put 0 in the ones place. Now I'm going to start with 4 into 3. This 4 is a 10-digit value. This 3 is a 1-digit value. So 4 into 3, 12. But I have to write the 12. That is 12 is coming. So I have to write only the ones place value, but I have to write only in the tens place, 10th digit. Why should I write in the 10th digit? Because I am going to multiply by 4. So this 4 is a 10th digit value. That is what I've written 2 in the tens place value. So remaining is carryover is go to the what? Tens place. So 4 into 4, 16. 16 plus 1, 17. 7. The carryover 1 is go to the 100 place value. Now 4 into 8, 32. 32 plus 1, 33. Okay, 33. So 0, 2, 7, 3 and 3 again. Okay, so ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. The answer is 33,720. 33,720. This is method 2. Method 2. This is method 2. This is method 1. And this is method 3 is, look at this. Nothing but 843 is multiplied by ones, tens, 100 is going to multiply by what? 40. So what I am going to do, you should not consider the 0. So first you have to multiply only the numbers. So what is the number in the, this is ones place, this is tens place. There are 2 digits. So heading is multiplying by a 2-digit number. So ones digit, tens digit. So there are 2 digits. So I'm just going to multiply by 10-digit value, that is 4. So I'm going to multiply 843 by 4. 4 into 3, 12. 2. Carryover is go to the what? Tens place. And 4 4 is 16. 16 plus 1, 17. And carryover is go to the again 100 place. 8 4 is 32. 32 plus 1, 33. So after that I just simply add the 0. Only 1 0. You have to add the 0 at the last, at the end. So 33,720. This is the right answer. This is the right answer. This is the right answer. So this I told you very clearly. See, there are 3 methods I taught you. Method 1, method 2, method 3. Method 1, you just no need just for start with the multiply by 0, but you should not multiply, you should multiply by 0, but 3 into 0, 4 into 0 and 8 4s are 8 into 0. No need to write, keep on writing zeros. No need to add, adding zeros, or no need to write zeros. Just only one time, only once you have to write 0, because you have to multiply by 0 with 843. Any number is multiplied by 0, that means you can get only 0. That is what I have written 0 here, and after that directly I will go to what? 10-digit place value. So 10-digit number. The 10-digit place value, what is the number in 10 digit? That is 4. I am going to multiply by 4 with what? 843. So you can get this answer. So again after that is a very normal multiplication. So I have to multiply this. This is what I told you. So I have to multiply 843 by 0. And keep on writing zeros and zeros. I am writing zeros. So this is this is waste of time. That is what I've written. That is what I've told you. No need to write zeros and zeros. Just you know that 0 is multiplied by any number, you can get only 0. So write only once, write only one time. Once means only one time. That is what I've told you to write 1 0 here. Then after that I multiply by what? Tens place value. What is the number in tens place value? 4. So I'm going to multiply what? Multiply by 4. 843 is multiplied by 4. You can get this number. So the answer is 33,720 here. Here also 33,720. And this is a method 3. It's a very easy method. I've told you first you have to multiply only the numbers and finally you add 0. So here how many 0? Only 1 0. So it is in the ones place and 4 in the tens place value. So what is the number in tens place? Tens place 4 is here. So I've told you only multiply by numbers. You have to multiply only the numbers. So 4 multiplied by 843. So you can get 3372. That is 3372. After that you have to add the 0 at the last, at the end. Then finally you have to write 33,720. This is also one method. So I've taught 3 methods which is convenient for you. You choose the method and what? Write it. And you practice it. So this is a long process, this is a simple process, this is also simple process. So which is your choice, which is convenient for you, you choose that. Now we are going to see the second, find the product. So this is 768 into 53. 768 is a 3-digit number, 53 is a 2-digit number. So this is a regrouping method. What is this? This is a regrouping method. What is regrouping method? That means you have to do the multiplication step by step. Step by step means what? That means first you have to, this is what? 768 is going to multiply by 53. So I'm going to concentrate. See, this is a 3-digit number, this is a 2-digit number. So I'm concentrate only the 3-digit number first. So 768, that means 3-digit number. So ones, tens and 100. For step 1, that is you have to multiply by ones. Then step 2, multiply by tens. And that is, 768 into 53. So multiplying 2-digit number only. So I'm concentrate 53. So first you have to, this 53 ones and tens. So first step 1, multiply by ones, and next step multiply by tens. That means first you have to multiply only the ones place value. What is the number ones place value? What is the number in the ones place? That is 3. So 768 is multiplied by 3. That is step 1. After that, that is multiply by 1. Step 2, multiply by tens. That is 768. 768 is multiplied by what? 5. 5 is 5. That means that is tens place number, tens place value. That is what you have to multiply. And finally add the products. That is add the products. That is step 3. So you have to write as it is. Then you have to what? Add everything. Then you can get this answer. So I am going to teach you the first one. Step 1, multiply by 1. 768. This is 3-digit number. This is 2-digit number. But the heading is multiplying by a 2-digit number. So I'm sorry, I've told you 3-digit number I'm focusing. No, it is not correct. So 2-digit number only we are focusing. We are focusing only the 2-digit number because heading is multiplying by a 2-digit number. So 768 into 53. So I'm focusing only the 53. So step 1, multiply by ones. So 53 I've written very clearly. This is ones, tens and 100. So first step 1, multiply ones, multiply by ones, multiply by ones. That means, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to multiply by the ones place value. What is the number in ones place? 3. So I'm going to multiply. I'm going to start multiplying. So 3. So 3 into 8, that is ones place number 8. 3 into 8, 24. So 4 carryover is go to the top of the tens place value. Then again 3 into 6, what? 18. 18 plus 2, 20, 0. The carryover is go to the 100 place value. So again 3 is multiplied by 7. 3 into 7, 21. 21 plus 2, 23. So 768 into 3. That is, I am very clearly mention it. Next step, at the same you have to write as it is. 768 and into 50, 768 into 53 multiply by tens. This is the heading. So you have to write the answer. What is the answer you got in ones, whatever the answer you got in ones, that is you have to write 2304, that means into 7, that is equal to 768 into 3. That means whatever the answer you got it multiply by ones, you have to write as it is in that place. Then you have to write that, just copying as it is. 2304 is equal to, that means 768 into 3, that is what you have to write. Then I'm going to multiply by tens. What is the number in tens place? That is 5. So multiply by tens, that is what is the number in tens place? That is 5. I'm going to multiply by 5. So 5 into 768. So 5 into 8, that means what? 40. So before that you have to put 0 in the ones place, and again what I'm going to do, that is I'm going to multiply by 5 with 768. So 5 into 8, 40, 0. The 4 is carry over, is go to the tens place. Then again, so 6 into 5, 30, 30 plus 4, 34, 4. Then remaining carry over is go to the 100 place. So 5 into 7, what? 35. 35 plus 3, what you get? 38. So I'm going to multiply 768 into 50. Why should I write 50? Because it is 5 tens. That is 5 into 10, 50. That is what? 768 into 50. 768 into 50. This is 768 into 3. That is ones place. This is tens place. That is what I have written. 3 into 1 you can get 3. 5 into 10 you can get 50. So this is ones place 3. This is tens place 5. That is what I have written. 768 into 50. Now I am going to move on the step 3. Add the products. That means you have to write the sum as it is. Ones, tens and 100. 768 into 50. 53. So the answer is 2304. First ones. That is, this is the answer of ones, multiplying by ones. This is the answer of ones. This is the answer for ones. This is the answer for what? Tens. So 2304. This is the answer for 1. That means 768 into 3. And the next one is what? 38,400. This is the answer of what? Tens place value. 768 into 50. Now finally you must add the product. That is the step 3. You have to write as it is. First ones place answer, next tens place answer. You have to write as it is. Ones place answer here. This is multiplying by ones. You have to done only the what? Ones place. And after that the what? Multiplying by tens, you have to write ones as well as 10. And step 3, that is add the products. You have to write as it is. Whatever you have done in the step 2, you have to write it everything. And after that finally you have to just add it. That means 4 plus 0, 4. 0 plus 0, 0. 3 plus 4, 7. And 8, 2 plus 8, 10. 0. Carry overs go to the top. 3 plus 1, 4. That means answer is 40,704. This is the right answer for the question. That is the find the product regrouping method. This is the step-by-step process. First you have to multiply by ones. Next step multiply by tens. And third step add the products. Finally you can get this answer. That is 40,704 is the right answer for the question. So you must carefully do this method. This is a very long process, I agree that, but it's a very clear method. If you if you like to follow this method, you can follow. Otherwise you can basically generally you do the normal multiplication.